Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your meetings on Zoom application. Okay, so as you know that we can do live meeting using Zoom. We can connect multiple people at the same time. So sometimes there is a need that we want to record the meeting so that we can then share the recording with the other participant who were not present at that moment. So in order to record a meeting, you must have a Zoom application or you must be using Zoom platform. Okay, when you are on the meeting, like you are doing a video call or meeting with your team member or your with boss, while the doing live. Broadcasting, you can just see an button over the side of record button in the Zoom meeting. As you can see that is here. If you want to record a Zoom meeting, you can click on this Zoom record buttons if you want to record the meeting. But if the host has not allowed the members to record the live meeting, then you can't record the meeting, but only the host can record this overall the broadcasting video. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can use record button to record the Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching.